Today, we delve back into the world of construction contracts, where precision and clarity are paramount. Our focus is on the critical aspect of the JCT contracts, the Schedule of Amendments. We will explore what it is and why it is essential to thoroughly read and understand this document. Defining the Schedule of Amendments. The Schedule of Amendments, sometimes referred to as the Amendment Sheet, is a vital component of JCT contracts, used extensively in the construction industry. It is a document that records any changes or modifications made to the standard JCT contract terms and conditions. These changes could be in the form of additions, deletions, or alterations to the standard clauses. They can be initiated by either party, the employer or the contractor, and should be mutually agreed upon and documented. Now that we have a definition, let's delve into understanding why the Schedule of Amendments is important. Customization of contracts. Each construction project is unique, with specific requirements, risks, and circumstances. The Schedule of Amendments allows for the customization of the contract to suit the project's particular needs. It ensures that the contractual framework aligns with the project realities. Number 2. Risk allocation. A well-drafted Schedule of Amendments can help to allocate risks appropriately between the parties. This is crucial to avoid disputes and unexpected financial burdens during the course of the project. For example, it can specify who bears the costs of unseen delays or changes in scope. Number 3. Clarity and transparency. The Schedule of Amendments enhances the clarity and transparency of a contract. It ensures that both parties are on the same page regarding their respective rights and obligations. Ambiguities and misunderstandings can be minimized, reducing the likelihood of disputes. Number 4. Legal compliance. In the ever-evolving legal landscape, it is crucial to ensure that the contract complies with the latest legislation and regulations. The Schedule of Amendments allows for the incorporation of relevant legal updates, safeguarding the project's legal validity. Finally, number 5. Project control. By clearly outlining changes in the Schedule of Amendments, project managers and stakeholders can exercise better control over the project's progress. It helps in anticipating and addressing issues promptly, therefore enhancing project efficiency. Let's look at the consequences of ignoring the Schedule of Amendments. Failing to read and understand the Schedule of Amendments can lead to detrimental consequences, such as, number 1. Unforeseen costs. Ignorance of contract modifications can result in unexpected costs for either party, potentially derailing the project's financial viability. Number 2. Legal disputes. Disagreements arising from misunderstandings or dispute over unaddressed modifications can lead to costly and time-consuming legal battles. And number 3. Project delays. Failure to recognize changes can disrupt project timelines and cause avoidable delays. If the Schedule of Amendments are carefully considered, it ensures that all parties are protected, risks are properly allocated, and the project progress runs smoothly, within budget and on time. However, clients or contractors may use the Schedule of Amendments as a way to financially and legally put the risk and therefore the cost onto other parties. So, as professionals in the construction industry, it is our duty to read and understand this document thoroughly. By doing so, we can contribute to the success and sustainability of our projects, whilst also alleviating unrealistic or unfair risk put on our side. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.